In today's class, we are going to learn about the types of plant tissues. How can we define tissues? A tissue is a cluster of cells that are alike in configuration or structure and work together to attain a specific function. Different types of plant tissues include the permanent tissue and meristematic tissue. A group of cells make up a tissue, a group of tissues make up an organ, a group of organs make up a system, and different systems synchronize together to make up a functional human body or any body of any living organism. Classification of plant tissues. Plant tissues can be classified into broadly two categories. One is meristematic tissues. These are made up of cells which are capable of division. And there are permanent tissues which are mature cells that are incapable of division. Now the permanent tissues can further be subdivided into simple tissue and complex tissue. Simple permanent tissues are made up of only a single type of cell, and complex tissue is made up of more than one type of cell. The simple permanent tissue can further be subdivided into epidermis, parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Parenchyma and collenchyma have a separate and particular type which is known as chlorenchyma. And the complex permanent tissue can be subdivided into xylem and phloem. The xylem has 4 components, but only 2 of them can be seen very particularly: xylem vessels and tracheids, and in phloem there are sieve tubes and companion cells. Meristematic tissues can be divided into 3 types. One is apical meristem. Apical meristematic tissues are present on the tip of the root and also on the apical buds or shoots. Apical meristems are present at the places where there is active growth taking place. Then there are intercalary meristems. Intercalary meristematic tissues are present in the nodes. Here they increase the internodal distance, and there are lateral meristems which increase the girth of the stem. Characteristics of meristematic tissues: they are living and have thin wall. There are very few vacuoles and they are very small in size. The cells of the meristematic tissue contain dense protoplasm and conspicuous nuclei. The cells are spherical, oval, or polygonal in shape. They do not store any reserve food materials and are in an active state of metabolism. Now we are going to talk about the protective tissue which is known as epidermis. It is present on the surface or upper surface of the leaves. It protects the plant. The cells of the epidermis have thick walls and it is found on the surface of roots, stems and leaves. Another kind of simple permanent tissue is known as parenchyma. The cells of the parenchyma tissue has prominent cell wall. They have a prominent nucleus and they have a very large vacuole in their cytoplasm. And also they have intercellular spaces between 2 cells. They store food materials in the vacuole and they provide temporary support to the plant. Collenchyma is made up of living cells which are elongated and are thick at the corners or edges. They have very thick or lignified cell wall. This tissue is found in the leaf stalks and below the epidermis of stems. This tissue helps to support the plant. Sclerenchyma is composed of long, narrow and thick-walled cells. These are dead cells. This tissue provides strength to the plant parts. It is found in stems and veins of the leaves, mostly as fibers. They do not have cytoplasm or nucleus inside them.